need to show you what the world says.
Okay.
Do you know what this says, guys?
Yes.
Say it. Team squad. Now tap on who's the best.
Best.
Tap on somebody who's the best.
Best.
We're about trees and the sky doing. But
Yeah.
it's sunny today.
Oh,
So I got my sunglasses on so I can wear them. So the sun can come to my eyes, but if I put the sun to my eyes, it'll be brighter. See that means? In the sky, and when the sunset goes down, it goes all the way down the sky.
Oh.
Comes up in the sky, and the ants with the trees. Ants within kite trees. You see that?
Oh.
And birds living on top of weeds. And they're not here in our weeds yet. And birds eat bird seeds. They feed them bird seeds. You see what that means? The very, very yucky.
Oh.
Check. Clothes on. Check. Knuckles on. Yeah, check. Checks. Check. Bracelet on. Check. Hi guys, today we're at the store, so we need to be quiet. Look at all these accessories.
Yeah.
Follow me, okay?
Okay.
Follow me, guys.
Yeah. Put it out again.
Guys,
Wait.
and go over here.
Over there.
You can see it.
Let's
Show you
go.
all this stuff.
Yes.
Guys,
Chips.
when do you take more? When do you take chips?
One chip.
One chip.
One chip.
So which chip do you want?
One chip.
That one
or that one.
this one? Which one?
Jordan what? This. See?
Tell me which one you want. Tell us. You want that one? Are you sure?
Jordan
Okay,
want that
let's
one.
go get it.
What do you want?
Oh, it's there. Where are the
Get
toys? The toys are over here.
Wow.
So be quiet. These are boys. This is crab.
What is this, Jojo?
That's a bubble wand.
This is the bubble one.
Mm-hmm.
And I need to show you. This is Play-Doh alphabets. And look, this is Fancy Nancy. So much glitter. See?
This.
Ava, what do you have?
I have Bobby Roll.
Bogey roll? Bogey roll? I don't think so. Here.
Where's Mommy?
I don't know. Let's go and find her, guys. Follow me. Let's run and find her,
No.
okay? Come over here. She's over here, guys. Walk like a balloon. Hey-ya.
Ava.